What's going on, everybody? Just wanted to make a quick video on a useful feature these Xhorse key tools have. Now that is to save your key cutting information. We are using our Xhorse Dolphin that we have connected there. You're also going to need internet to see this information as it's stored over a cloud-based server. So what we're doing here is we did cut a key. I backed out to check the remote frequency, and then I go back in, and of course I have to either retrace the key or enter in the key code again. But I did notice here on our key tool menu we have our history option right there at the bottom, and if we select that, it is going to bring us all of our previous history for key cutting. It even breaks it down to subcategory for us. We have our automotive selections. If we selected cut by bidding, universal key duplication, or our own data, we can even break it down further. But I'm looking for this top Ford example. I'm going to show you that it does save. It saves quite a few. I'm pretty certain as long as you're connected to Wi-Fi, you're going to be able to go back and find that data. So we're looking for our Ford. If we select that, brings us the options to continue to cutting, or we can even modify it. If I hit continue to cut, our key machine's already connected, so it's just telling us what jaw and tip stop to use. And if we hit OK, there's our cuts for our key, and then we can just go ahead and hit cut and start our next key. I hope that helps. Thank you guys for your time.